Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to delete Valorant. Firstly, head to your Windows settings and then go to apps. Now you will see all the apps installed on your PC. Just scroll down until you find Valorant, then click on it one time. Go up and then select the Uninstall button. Click then Uninstall and wait for the process to complete. And now Valorant would be gone from your PC forever. Just make sure to delete also the Riot client so your PC will be free from any Riot or Valorant software. To uninstall it from your PC, follow these steps. Firstly, before uninstalling, ensure that no Riot games are running in the background, which means remove all the background of Riot games on your task manager. Now, press Windows plus L to open settings. Navigate to Apps. Then in the Apps and Features tab, scroll down and find the Riot games, like Valorant or League of Legends or Legends of Runeterra. Click on the game and choose Uninstall, then Uninstall to remove each game. Alternative method is to type Control Panel in the search bar, then open it. Click on Uninstall a program. Under Programs, scroll to find your Riot Games client software. Right-click on it, then select Uninstall. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.